Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to Lady Khadija radiallahu anha online college. A-level math live lesson, pure math year 2 modulus is today's topic. So let's begin with just a few basic numbers, which is nice and easy. So let's take the number -5. Let's take the number minus 1.5. Let's take the number 4. So if these numbers represent changes, how much something has gone up or down, then sometimes we're not really worried about whether it's gone up or down, but we just want to know the amount of change. So the 5 units, the 1.5 units, that's what we're interested in. Not whether it's plus or minus isn't the concern. So when that's the occasion, when that's the situation, then we're interested in the absolute value. The absolute value. The absolute value means the value without the sign. So in this case, in the first case, it would just be 5. In the next case, it would just be 1.5. Here, it would just be 4, the number. Another name for absolute value, which is going to be more commonly used in your textbook, is modulus. It's the modulus function. So let's use that word and let's do a couple of examples and also show you the symbols for modulus. So let's work out the modulus of minus 4.5. Another way of writing that would be minus 4.5 with 2 lines on the outside. And like I said before, it just means we want the absolute value without the sign. So any guesses on this first one? If you know, if you want to guess, just type it into the chat window. Okay, fantastic, nice and easy. And really, it's not harder than that. It's just getting used to the 2 lines, meaning that we want the modulus. So let's try another one, but this time without the words. You just have to remember it yourself. So we're going to go working through example 1 at the moment, and we've got the modulus of -2. So let's go. The modulus of 6.5. Type the answers as soon as you know. And then finally a fraction one, 1/3 minus 4/5. Try it without a calculator, but if you need a calculator, that's fine as well. But it's not just 1/3 over 4/5, it's the modulus of 1/3 over 4/5. Okay, let's go through answers. The first one is, hopefully you got, is 2. Next one is 6.5. And the last one, you'd have to just convert to common denominators. So times that one by 5. That would make 5 on the top. Times this one by 3. And that would make 12 on the top. But then we've got 5 take away 12, which is -7. So we'd end up with, inside the modulus sign, -7 over 15. And we would just drop the sign and make that 7 over 15. Okay, let's use some algebra now. Same kind of principle, but you're just going to have to substitute. So going on to example 2, let's say we have a function of x which is equal to work out this function, it's going to be the modulus of 2x minus 3 plus 1. And I want you to work out what would the answer be for f of x if x was 5. Have a few seconds on that. You're substituting 5 into this function here. So 2 times 5. Let's keep the modulus signs in there to begin with. So we'll have, just treat them like brackets. So 2 times 5 is 10. Take away the 3. 10 take away 3, that's 7. So I've got the modulus of 7 plus 1 on the outside. Modulus of 7, there's no sign here, so there's nothing to drop, so it just becomes 7. And 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, you try the next one. Function of minus 2. See if you can do the substitution. And as soon as you've got an answer, type it into the chat window. Okay, very good. The answer is 8. Well done to Aisha for getting that. So you've got 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4. Then take away the 3, and that's all in the modulus. So minus 4 take away 3 makes minus 7. And then we've got plus 1 on the outside. Minus 7, we just covered that before, so drop the sign, and we have 7 plus 1 makes 8. And then the last one for today, can you work out f of 1? So that's substitute into the function the number 1 for x. As soon as you've done that, type in your answer. Okay, looks like we've got an answer already. So let's just go through this slowly. X is 1, so 2 times 1. Let's start off with the modulus sign. So 2 times 1 is 2. Take away the 3 and end the modulus plus the 1. Looking inside here, 2 take away 3 is minus 1. And then we've got modulus of minus 1. Drop the sign, and that'll just be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So hopefully you've got that. Fantastic. Well done to Aisha again. Okay, join me again tomorrow for more on the modulus function. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be with you, and